Hey there, Leslie here. Well, today's question is this. What can you do right now to secure your paralegal position? What can you do, even if you are going to school, getting a certificate, or none of the above, that you cannot go that route? If you're in California, you have to go either of those routes to become a paralegal or be called a paralegal. For the other 49 states, they have other options available besides the degree certificate. They have work for an attorney for a certain amount of years, and then you can call yourself a paralegal. And that's under paralegal regulations. So you need to investigate that for your state. What are the paralegal regulations for the state of blank, okay? But what are some of the other things you can do to improve yourself as you go towards this career right now? And maybe you haven't done so. Maybe you need to improve these areas. So here are the three. Okay, number one, your technical skills in Microsoft Word, they need to be advanced. And if you go to my website, paralegalcoffeetalk.com, you'll see a tab for advanced skills. While you're there, also download the playbook, and I'll talk about that and where that is, okay? So become an advanced user of Microsoft Word. Number two, if your state like California requires a certificate or a degree, investigate that for your state. You should be very aware of that before you go down this road, okay? And understand what your state says. Florida said 3 years you'd have to work for an attorney before you can call yourself a paralegal if you don't have the degree or certificate. So make sure you investigate that so you are well aware of what's required. So number three, paralegal duties, and what are the paralegal duties of jobs that are currently open that you see online? Then investigate that. You'll learn so much, but my Paralegal Playbook will help you. So go to Paralegal Coffee Talk while you're looking at the Advanced Skills tab. Go over to the Paralegal Resource Hub tab, and you'll see the playbook there. Yes, you have to sign up for it. It's free though. Okay, that's how my platform works. You sign up and download that playbook today and go to the page that talks about paralegal duties. Research those duties. Get a notebook and write some of these down. Learn how to perform some of those duties. It'll take you down a trail, okay, which is a good trail to go down. These are just 3 areas that will help you, all right? So let me know in the comments section what you think, and I'll talk to you soon.